Today I want to tell you an exciting electric bike that I just bought. I've gone through quite a fair few electric bike. Mainly I look at folding bike. So the reason I go with folding bike is because I like to be able to fold them and put them in the back of a car. So that and I often like to park at the side of a road and then just go to any bike way. Or if I'm in the city, or I can park far away and then just ride my bike in. It's such convenient, and I went for this model because it's the smallest. It's actually the Brompton bike, and I like it small because I can fit two of them here. So then my wife and I can just go anywhere, park the car, and just ride on the bike path. Like we used to have bigger bikes here, but you find that you never use them. But if it's the back of the car, you would actually use them. So we got this from Sydney Bike Store. It's called Sydney Bike Shop. It's actually the first e-bike shop in Australia, and it's also got the largest range. And Brompton bike is actually made in the UK, and they're actually the best folding bike because it's folded in 3 ways, and all the messy bit is on the inside. But the Sydney Bike Shop was able to electrify it. So this is the battery here. So this bike is just a standard Brompton bike, 6-speed. Why electric bike? With normal bike, if you have to commute to work, say within 2K, I think it's fine without electric bike. But in summer, you often get hot and sweaty. So with electric bike, you can actually go 20K. No problem on an electric bike, because this bike has a throttle only mode. You can just press a button, it will just go, or power assist. Now this power assist is quite unique because it's what they call torque sensor power assist. The harder you pedal, the more it assists you. Yeah. So and you still have your 6 gear to change up and down. Now by having an electric bike, you don't get to work all hot and sweaty, which is amazing. And it's got a range of more than 40K, so you can get to work, come back, all with 0 carbon emission. Yeah, as I say, I like it being small. So I can show you how we fit in there. So if you take it out, it's nice and small, so it just goes right in there like that. So as you can see, I can put another one here. Helmet can go in there. Put another one there. Another one of these here. Another one of these here. There's still plenty of room to put all your things. So later on, what we're going to do is my daughter and I is going to go to yoga in the morning at 7 to 8, and then after that, on our way back, we'll stop by the supercharger. So the car will get a charge, and I'll get on the bike and we'll ride to New State House, and my daughter Grace is going to jump on one of those Lime scooter. She hasn't tried it before, so she's going to get on one of those, and we'll go to New State House. The Lime scooter only, I think, go up to about 30K an hour. So, but this one actually goes 35 to 40K an hour, throttle only. And obviously, if you pedal, you can go faster. So this is actually faster than Lime scooter. Yeah, so yeah, that's amazing. We'll show you later how we unfold it and how we fold it back in, right? And this is something we can all do. It's quite simple and 0 emission. Thank you. Okay, this is a new Brompton folding bike, but it's actually an electric version. It's been electrified by a shop in Sydney actually. So Brompton bike is the smallest and the best folding bike in the world. So I'll show you how I unfold this. It's actually quite easy. You just unlock this, take this up to here like this. Okay. Now, ready? Done. That's how easy it is. So, and it folds up so small that you can wheel around. In fact, there are people who actually take this on the plane, on the overhead compartment. compartment. They put it in the little compartment and put it, and then they go traveling all around the world. Now this is 6 speed. Top speed on these is about 40 km an hour, 35, 40 km an hour. Fantastic, nice and simple. Okay, I'll show you how to fold this now. The other thing I want to show before I do that is, if you ever want to actually stand it up, there's a lever here, you press, and you actually kick this into place. Yeah, so that will stand by itself. So it's a very smart system in that it folds once, folds twice, and 3 times. So there's 3 different folds. Yeah, so that one then comes around here like this, and then clip onto here, and then this one then release, and it actually clips into place. And that one, there's a lever here. So when you press this down, it locks. There's a little thing here, it stops it from sliding out. So then this bit doesn't pop out. So now you can carry it around like this, and yeah, it doesn't pop out. And what is so good with this bike is, you know, all the messy bit, all the chain, it's on the inside. So you could easily put this on the side, on the ground as well. And the other thing is, it's got wheels. So it's got 4 wheels. So you can actually wheel around. You can use this as a handle, and you just wheel around, or wheel on 2 wheels. And the other thing is, this seat has like a handlebar. So when you put it down to here, so it becomes a handlebar. Let's take this up. Let's unfold this, and I'll show you this new bag that I just got. That's it. Okay, now what I'll do is, see this bag here? It's the Brompton S Bag. So before I do that, I'll just secure this. And that simply just clips onto here. So if you have a look, yeah, you can turn your handle, your bag stays where it is, and you can put just about everything in here, your computer, your books, your water bottles, and if you need extra, you can, you know, there's still a rack here that you can put more things. But I want to show you this bag a bit more. Let's put it up on the stand. So it can stand by itself. Okay. Now, let's press this and take this up. Doesn't want to roll away. Good. Okay, if you have a look at this bag, it actually has a frame that it sits on. So this is how amazing this is. This is the frame that sits on here, onto this block. So that goes in here, like this. Obviously you don't take this out all the time. Yep. But the top of the frame becomes the handle. So it's actually quite a unique bag that's designed for the Brompton bike. So it's got two little pouch here. So you can put, what I normally do is things that I use every day, I can put in here. Things that I don't use as often, I put it on this side. Now, on this side, it has one of these. It also has another one on this side. But on this side, it holds the excess strap. So normally you use the handle here, but if you want to use the strap, the shoulder strap, you can just unlock that, and that becomes a good shoulder bag. And then it has this pouch for all your things on that, and then you can clip that, and you can put your laptop in there and all your things in there. It has another zip bag in here. But what is interesting with this bike is it has a raincoat. So if it rains, it has another pocket here, which you can pull this out. And this is the raincoat. Okay, before I do that, I'll just shorten this. fit all these in here. Right, now that stays with the bag all the time. You can cover all this up. Now that, so that goes on here. So it can rain, no problem. Now that's the Brompton bag. Right. Now, they're all waterproof. I mean, all these batteries are water resistant as well, even the display. So, and with this battery, what you can do is when you get to your work, let me just put it back on the stand again. There's a key which you can unlock, and you can actually slide this battery out. There you go. Now you can take it to your work and charge it at work. I think it has a range of more than 40 kilometer in it. More than 40 kilometer. Yeah. The bike without the battery is obviously a lot lighter. It starts at 13 kilo, so it's one of the smallest and the lightest bike. Anything else? Putting a bag here is much better because you don't have to carry it on your back. Putting it on the backpack, it gets very sweaty. So here it's nice and easy, and you've got more room at the back, as I say, for the rack as well. Yeah, and people can go to work in this.